Hey guys, what's up? Paul from tastesseoulgood.com here, and today we are checking out the newest member in the Korean Ramen family. That is this Shin Ramen Bokkeumyeon. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So recently I was contacted by Nongshim, who wanted to send me a few of their brand new ramens. Thank you so much to them for that. All right, so if you know anything about Korean ramen, then you probably have heard about Shin Ramen. It's pretty much the basis for all Korean ramens. It's also kind of the basis for spice levels in Korea. So after 35 years, Nongshim has finally come up with this. And this is the Bokkeumyeon, the stir-fried noodles. So for the first time ever, they have come out with a version that doesn't have any broth or soup. First, this is the cup version. And the other one, the one that I'm more excited about, that I prefer, is the actual package one. We're gonna mix them up to see just how good they are, if they live up to the weight of 35 years for this brothless version. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so here it is. Here is the finished product. The best thing is that it is super fast. So for the regular version, it cooks in only 2 minutes. And for the cup version, it cooks in only 3 minutes. So we have two different versions here. They both smell incredible. I can't wait to break into it. So I personally am a huge fan of kind of dry noodles like this. Kind of reminds me of like mee gordang or something. So you have the noodles here with two different packages. So there's a powder package that goes in there, as well as an oil. And there's shiitake mushrooms, as well as fish cakes. And the fish cakes are so cute because they look like the little Shin Ramen logo. How cool is that, right? And it looks like there's pieces of beef in here and bok choy, all kinds of yummy stuff, guys. You know this is gonna be super good. I'm always curious. I always think the cup version of instant noodles is always inferior to the regular packaged one. Oh yeah. Ooh. That packs a punch though. It is quite spicy. Spicier than I feel like regular Shin Ramen is. Wow. But I heard it's actually less spicy. There's less Scoville units to this one than the regular one. Yum. Very nice. I think this would be great too if you added like some egg or some cheese. Yum. I think I actually prefer that over regular Shin Ramen. So let's try the other version. Here's kind of the regular version, so you get a nice big package. And again, I think the noodles are a little thinner, which helps it cook a little faster. So when you're hungry, you don't have time. You just want to chow down, right? You don't want to wait for your ramen to cook. So, oof, it's hot. Let's get to it. Yeah, it's like really peppery. Again, no shade to the cup ramen, but man, there's really just no beating the OG, the original deal here, because the noodles just have that much of a better texture. I really like these thinner noodles here. Yum. Legit, this may be some of my favorite instant noodles because it's a nice balance. But again, I'm starting to sweat, I think. There is definitely some heat to this, so if you are not a fan of spicy foods, definitely might want to make sure you have some liquids around. I neglected that. I forgot the liquids. So it might be a little bit of pain, but that's okay. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Nongshim for sending this over. Thank you so much. The Shin Ramen Bokkeumbyeon is in stores now. Definitely check it out because I think it's quite yummy. All right, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, be sure to click that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. All right, guys, so next time, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.